Welcome to the $0 Executive Coach. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how Chat GPT and Claude AI can become your personal executive and life coach, using nothing but their free plans. This guide has 4 parts. Part 1 covers the Chat GPT coaching system, the prompts and rituals that turn free Chat GPT into a real coach. Part 2 shows why Claude's free plan is an equally strong, sometimes even stronger, coaching partner. Part 3 walks through building your own free coaching app, and Part 4 covers the honest pitfalls and when you actually need a human professional. Here's the problem: a typical executive coach costs $200 to $500 an hour, and only about 1 in 20 professionals ever works with one. Today, you can start that same thinking process for $0 for most of your regular coaching consultation. This is not to, however, undervalue the human great coaches. I run an HR and management consulting company, coaching leaders and executives. I've watched a single structured question change someone's life. I tested every framework in this deck on myself first, before ever handing it to a team or client. And to be clear, this isn't a replacement for humans. It's a way to think clearly in the moments a coach, mentor, or therapist isn't in the room. The biggest mistake? Just typing, "Be my life coach." That produces generic, forgettable advice. The AI has no memory of your goals, and you end up doing all the thinking anyway. What actually works is a dedicated coaching conversation, a written master instruction, a real profile of your career and values, and a repeatable weekly and monthly rhythm. Think of AI as a thinking partner, not an oracle. Think of your AI as 5 roles in one. A coach who helps you set direction, a challenger who pushes back on weak reasoning, a strategist who turns messy situations into clear options, an accountability partner who checks whether you did what you said, and a reflection partner who listens before jumping to solutions. Step 1. Start one dedicated coaching conversation. Name it clearly, something like "my executive and life coach," so it stays separate from your everyday chats. Return to that same conversation every time. Continuity is what makes the coaching feel personal. And give it one master instruction, pasted once, that defines how it should coach you going forward. Your master prompt should include 8 core principles. Ask thoughtful questions before giving advice, challenge my assumptions instead of agreeing automatically, separate facts from assumptions and emotions, help me find the real problem behind the stated one, offer multiple perspectives before recommending a path, don't decide for me, tell me honestly when I'm avoiding something, and summarize what I learned and what to do next. On the executive side, this system covers 6 areas: leadership and presence, people and stakeholders, decisions and strategy, productivity, conflict and teams, and career and growth. On the life side, it covers relationships, confidence and motivation, balance, meaning and purpose, money and career goals, and big life decisions. Here's the core thinking framework: 11 questions you can run any problem through. What actually happened? What am I assuming, and what am I feeling? What might I be missing? What's within my control? What are my options and their consequences? What would a strong executive do? What would my future self advise? And what's the smallest meaningful action I can take right now? Step 2. Build your executive profile. Give the AI your career details, your leadership style and strengths, your current business goals and risks, what matters most to you in life, and your 90-day, 1-year, and 3 to 5-year goals. A disclaimer: you may keep very confidential or personal data away from the chat to maintain your own privacy safeguards for any of the coaching chats. Step 3. Use it as an executive decision coach. Lay out the facts, both options, with salary, growth, risk, and life factors, no verdict yet. Let it question you instead of telling you what to choose. Then ask it to challenge your reasoning. Finally, get a decision matrix scored against your stated priorities. Step 4. The weekly executive review, every Sunday, 20 to 30 minutes. Answer what you accomplished, what went badly, what you avoided, and what decision you're postponing. Hand that to your AI coach and ask it to identify your patterns and blind spots. Close with just one specific behavior to change next week. Step 5. Once a month, hold a board meeting with yourself. Bring in 7 roles at once: executive coach, career strategist, financial strategist, leadership coach, productivity expert, life coach, and devil's advocate. The monthly prompt most people are too afraid to send. Based on everything I've told you, give me a brutally honest assessment of what may be holding me back. Don't flatter me. Separate observations from hypotheses. It's also the one that changes the most. Step 6. Keep a decision journal. Record the decision, the date, your options, and why you chose it. Note what would make you reconsider. After 30, 60, or 90 days, review it against what actually happened, and extract the lesson, what you predicted correctly, misread, or let bias distort. Step 7. A daily accountability partner. Every morning, list your priorities and let the AI push back if you're overloading the day. Every night, report what you actually accomplished, compare it honestly to your morning list, and identify where focus was lost. Step 8. Rehearse difficult conversations. First, define the conversation, your objective, what to avoid saying, and the other person's likely perspective. Then role-play it. Ask the AI to be the other person, even a defensive one. Loop through it until the real conversation feels rehearsed.
Sometimes the real issue isn't, "I don't know what to do," it's, "I know, but I don't want the consequences." Try this. I'm going to think out loud. Don't solve the problem yet. Just ask me one question at a time until you understand what I'm struggling with.
Step 9. Build a personal life dashboard. Score yourself 1 to 10 across 8 areas: career, business, money, health, relationships, learning, purpose, and time, asking honestly whether you're moving forward in each. Step 10. Use 7 coaching modes in one chat: executive mode, life mode, crisis mode for stabilizing the next 24 hours, decision mode, challenge mode, and reflection mode, where it asks one question at a time and gives advice only when you ask.
Here's the golden rule. Say, "Help me think," not, "What should I do?" Asking what you should do outsources the thinking entirely, and the advice feels generic. Instead, try, "Ask me 5 questions I'm overlooking, give me 3 possible strategies, and what's the strongest argument against each?"
So, is this really coaching? What AI genuinely offers is real reflection, structured questioning, and accountability, on demand, at any hour. What it can't replace is a human who reads body language, tone, and office politics, and brings lived experience. The honest formula is, a human being plus AI equals AI augmented self-coaching, not AI equals a human executive coach. Here's what you don't need to start: no paid coaching software, no dedicated coaching app, no custom GPT or API access, no programming skills, and no paid subscription at all. What the free plan actually gives you is a full conversational coaching partner, instructions that persist across chats, web search and file uploads for context, and enough depth for a real weekly and monthly rhythm. Here's your free coaching rhythm: daily, 5 minutes, what matters today, and what did I learn today? Weekly, 20 minutes, the full executive review. Monthly, 30 minutes, the board meeting and the brutal truth session. And quarterly, 60 minutes, a full 90-day life and career strategy review.
Now let's build this with Claude AI. Everything so far works in Chat GPT. Here's why Claude's free plan in 2026 can do the same job, sometimes even better. To set up Claude as your coach, create a project called Executive and Life Coach to keep it separate from other chats. Set your master coaching prompt and profile once at the project level. Upload your goals, reviews, or decision journal as files. Then run the same weekly, monthly, and quarterly rituals inside that project. A personal take: Chat GPT tends to win on a broader ecosystem of existing GPTs, fast casual back and forth, and wider name recognition. Claude tends to win on noticeably more careful, structured reasoning, holding nuance over a long reflective chat, and artifacts, which make it easy to turn a ritual into a real working tool. Here's a real example: building a free coaching dashboard in Claude. Just describe it in plain language: an interactive dashboard with your life areas, a 1 to 10 slider for each, and a trend chart over time. Claude's artifacts feature writes the actual working app, no coding required, and with built-in storage, your monthly check-ins are saved so the trend line grows over time. Another example: building a decision journal in Chat GPT. Ask for a simple template with decision, date, options, reasoning, expected outcome, and risk. Turn it into a reusable custom GPT so every entry follows the same format. Then ask Chat GPT to prompt you back through each entry on a 30, 60, 90-day cycle.
Now, the pitfalls. First, don't treat this as a licensed therapist. It can reflect and question, but it can't diagnose or treat. Second, be careful about oversharing sensitive financial, health, or other people's information. Third, don't mistake constant agreement for good coaching. A model that always agrees with you is flattering you, not coaching you. More mistakes to watch for. Don't believe every fact without checking. Models can sound confident and still be wrong, so verify anything involving money, health, or legal matters. Don't let it replace real relationships. A mentor or friend sees things no chat window will. And don't skip the follow-through. This only works if you actually complete the rituals.
Know when to call a real human professional. Any thoughts of self-harm or crisis need an immediate, qualified human response. Legal matters need a licensed lawyer. Major financial decisions deserve a licensed financial advisor. And medical questions always belong with a qualified doctor. Your next step: open Chat GPT or Claude right now, create one dedicated coaching chat, paste the master prompt, and answer the 11 questions on your next real decision. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, share this video onwards, if you found it helpful, with your colleagues and friends. For more insights, reach us on the email hello@talentsparks.com, provided in description link of this video and channel as well. Subscribe to this channel for more. See you in the next one. Bye.